Modi's Minister Nihal Chand Meghwal, who refused to answer any questions on the allegations that he is facing. Trouble clearly seems to be mounting for the minister as the victim speaks to Times Now, openly levelling serious charges against Nihal Chand.
In the midst of a massive controversy, he has tried very hard to evade the cameras.
मिस्टर निहाल चंद, आप इस्तीफा देंगे? आपके खिलाफ रेप के चार्जेस हैं आपके खिलाफ। मिस्टर निहाल चंद, रेप के चार्जेस हैं आपके खिलाफ।
And when Times Now tracked him down in his constituency Ganganagar, expectedly, Central Minister Nihal Chand chose not to give any answers. But evading the media isn't helping matters, as the victim has openly made very serious allegations against Nihal Chand while speaking to Times Now.
और निहाल चंद मेघवाल जो हमारे गांव में आके बोल रहा है कि हम लड़की को नौकरी लगा देंगे, पैसे ले लो और उसका नाम बाहर निकाल दो। अगर इनोसेंट होते तो ये सब कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी। मुझे सुरक्षा की ज़रूरत है और मैं इसीलिए जगह पे अलग अलग जगह पे रहती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे और मेरे परिवार को अपने आप को बचाने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं और हमें जान का खतरा भी है।
Meanwhile, to make matters worse for the minister, the voices demanding action against him are only growing louder.
When the government promises, when Mr. Modi gives big bhashans and lectures in the parliament saying that we are sensitive to women issues and we'll have zero tolerance to women atrocities or rapes, where is that zero tolerance?
But while some in the BJP made absurd statements like these that the party could have done without,
ऐसी कोई गंभीर बात है नहीं। ऐसी बात होती तो मोदी जी के मंत्रिमंडल में ऐसा कोई व्यक्ति नहीं रह सकता जिस पर संगीन आरोप हो, कोई नहीं रह सकता।
others chose to provide predictable arguments in defense of the minister.
And this particular case has passed through, if I remember, through 3 judges, through 3 courts. What is right or what is wrong, only time will tell. But I have faith in India's judiciary.
This is a textbook case of political conspiracy. Take my words for that.
Nihal Chand can run away and not answer the straight questions. But with serious charges against him, for now, how long can Modi's biggest liability cling to his seat of power? Bureau Report, Times Now.